the coronavirus. So he goes outside, he pays the bill, and he just come back. So that cost is traceable, right? The last one is lab test by outside contractor on a particular department.
Indirect cost.
It is a direct cost as well. You can easily calculate how many coronavirus tests are done with this department. That's it.
Oh.
Right? So I have pasted the solution here. So here we go. And indirect art chaplain. Okay, we made a mistake. We confused 4 and 5 because both are the same one. The salary of head of pediatrics, When it comes to a salary of pediatric of the department, it is direct, but it comes to a particular, when it comes to a particular patient, it is indirect because we don't know that how much this head of the pediatric department spent on this patient. But for department, we know that, right? Sorry about my pen stopped working. Maybe its battery just finished. Sorry about my graphics here. So I have pasted the solution here in this file, so you can also compare your results. Okay, now let's talk about the classification of cost based on decision making. Differential cost, opportunity cost, sunk cost. Let's talk about these. So every decision involves a choice between at least two alternatives. So deciding the alternative, you must compare cost and benefits, right? And you decide that whether these costs are relevant or these benefits are relevant or not. So all other costs and benefits that are irrelevant, they must be ignored, right? So in order to make a decision, how you make decision, how a rational person makes decisions, first it's gather choices and then he picks the best option, right? So how these options are evaluated based on cost and benefits. So all those relevant costs are included and all those irrelevant costs, they are ignored. So, or all those costs that are same in every alternative, we ignore that one, because whether we opt option A, whether we opt option B, costs are the same. So we, exclude that cost. Only differential cost or only relevant cost are included for decision making. So let's go forward. On the basis of decision making, we have differential cost. So cost and revenues that differ amongst alternatives, we call that differential cost. So we have example here. For example, you have a job that paying you $1,500 a month in your hometown, and you have a job offer in a neighboring city that pay you $2,000 per month, and the commuting cost is $300. So what is the differential cost? You see the difference is the benefit and the cost. So the difference between benefits, which means your salary is 1,500 and 2,000. If the benefits 500, right? And what is the cost in your hometown is zero cost. And if you commute, it is 300. So you see the benefit outweighed the cost. So what is your decision? Go for this job, 2,000 per month. Understand? So if you make decision on the basis of differential cost, how this differential cost play an important role? You find out the differences in the revenues and differences in the cost, or differences in the benefits, or differences in the expenses. If the benefits outweigh the cost, you opt the alternative. Otherwise, you stick to your original plan. That's it. Yes, Minsu? Minsu, you want to ask some question?
No, sorry.
Okay. Now the opportunity cost. So opportunity cost is the cost of foregone alternative, or the potential benefit that is given up when one alternative is selected over another. For example, if you were not attending college, you could be earning 15,000 per year. Since you joined this college, so you forgo 15,000. So that 15,000 is the opportunity cost. Okay. Any question regarding this opportunity cost? So I'm going to give you a question that is, if we have three alternatives, we have A, we have B, and we have C. For example, the costs or the figures of alternative A are 1,000, and we have B, which is, for example, 990. Sorry about my drawing, guys. It's 990. And then we have 800. And you choose A. So what is your opportunity cost? Anyone want to volunteer?
990.
990. Anyone else? You choose A over B and C. So what is your opportunity cost? Jordan, Ayana, Camila, Ledry, Leo, Sunho, William.
I think C.
You say C.
Hmm.
Okay. Jackie?
Isn't it A? You already chose the best option, no?
We chose the A, but what is opportunity cost? A is
Zero.
the A is the alternative that we choose, right? The opportunity cost is that is given up. So we gave up B and C. So what is the opportunity cost?
C. No.
C.
Wait.
Leo.
Is it if we give up A and B and we choose C? Is that the question?
The question is we have three alternatives A, B, C. We choose A. So what is the opportunity cost?
Do we have an opportunity cost? Because we are having more than the other options.
Yes, that is my question. That is my question. We have more than one options. So then in this case, what is the opportunity cost? So here we go. Like one says it's B. The answer would be B, because in case of more than one choices, opportunity cost becomes the next best alternative that you forgo. So the best next alternative you forgo is B, not C, because C is on third level. Right, everyone? Understand?
Yeah.
Yeah.